More breaking news coming in. Hurriyat Conference Chief Mirwaiz Umar Farooq has blamed the media for creating what he calls unnecessary hype over his meeting with Pak envoy Abdul Basit. He issued a statement saying Kashmir is the main issue between India and Pakistan and Hurriyat is a stakeholder in the Kashmir issue. Mirwaiz has also demanded the removal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act from Jammu and Kashmir.
जी देखिए, कल तो रिसेप्शन था, मुलाकात तो उससे पहले हुई थी और मुलाकात भी इसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हुई थी कि जो इस वक्त हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान की एक सिचुएशन है और बातचीत को फिर से स्टार्ट करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी लेवल्स पे बात हुई है। देखिए, वो तो उनकी अपनी असेसमेंट है कि उनको अगर घृणा हो रही थी उनको तो नहीं आना चाहिए था। तो मगर ये है कि देखिए, ये बात समझने की है कि दोनों देशों के दरमियान जो असल प्रॉब्लम है वो कश्मीर का मसला है।
Like Mirwaiz Umar Farooq, the chief of the Hurriyat Conference, blaming the media for hyping his meeting with Pak envoy Abdul Basit. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Shuja Ul Haq, who's with us on the phone line from Srinagar. Shuja, an expected response from Umar Farooq?
Well, that's right. It is an expected response. In fact, almost all Hurriyat leaders have so far said the same, that media is, creating a hype, so to speak, over this issue. In fact, most of these leaders since yesterday have been saying that this is not something new. It's a routine of every year. Whenever there is Pakistan Day and its celebration, the Pakistan High Commission invites Hurriyat leaders, and the Hurriyat leaders are very much allowed to go and meet the Pakistani dignitaries on that day. So as far as they are concerned, it is a routine affair. It has happened throughout these years, and that's exactly what that they have followed even today. But most of the criticism that came was because of the fact that the way Narendra Modi government had, taken a stand, a firm stand last time when there was a meeting between Pakistani officials and Hurriyat leaders, and the foreign secretary level talks were actually scrapped because of it. Now that was the bigger question. What has changed in the last 8 or 9 months that now whatever talks that are happening are all right, and they were not all right at that point of time. So that is the bigger question that most of the people were asking in terms of the criticisms that this meeting invited.
Absolutely, and Shuja, interesting that he's raising the AFSPA issue as well, considering that it's become a political hot potato between the PDP-BJP government. We're going to keep coming back to you for more reactions. Thanks so much for that.